What's up, guys? Welcome back to Brick Nerds. Today we're going to be building our Venom bust. This one's 565 pieces. Should be a pretty fun build. I have a lot of the helmets and busts up top of my little display case here. If you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and join our team here at Brick Nerds. I love talking to you guys in the comments, and always want to make sure that we help grow this team and really see if we can do something here. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button. It helps me out, and let's go ahead and get it built. Here's our finished Venom set. I don't know if you can really see this, but it does have like acid coming down behind the teeth. I don't know if you can see it, but behind the teeth there's some acid saliva, I guess, coming down. But cool set. Tongue moves. We can do whatever we want with this. But overall, pretty fun, pretty cool looking set. It'll go great with all my other busts I have on top of my cabinet back here. As always, if you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit that like button. It helps me out a ton. Hit me up in the comments. I love talking to you guys. I like knowing what you think about the sets. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Join our community here. We do polls. We do all kinds of fun things. So join us and let's keep building this channel together. All right, I'll see you guys on the next build.